All right, we out here in these streets.
We out here.
We are going to the butterfly garden. It's very hot out here. Stay tuned. All right, let's see if we can find some butterflies.
This the garden.
Y'all find it? The
It's the garden.
We're at the Turkey Creek Sanctuary Park. My kids are out here trying to catch Pokemons. I don't see any butterflies, but I think this is a butterfly. Come on, boo. Keep walking. See if you can find something else. Good morning. How you doing? How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. We're on this trail. Let's see.
What?
Why are you scared? Because
It's turkeys.
it might be some wild turkey.
Y'all see this?
What?
Why is it building?
It's pavilions.
You can go in there.
I don't know.
Go in
It's
there.
a nature center.
Go in there.
It says it's closed.
Why is it wildcat?
Hold up.
What?
Nah, we gotta find some tracks. I don't need.
What
I
track?
don't need. You don't see that? It's a.
Scary.
That's a turkey feet track.
That's not a turkey foot, nerd. Lord.
Somebody had to do that because
That's a spray paint. Y'all supposed to be catching the Pokemon. All right.
why is it a wildcat on the thing?
Who?
Cat thing, bobcat.
All right. So we're at the Margaret's.
Hello.
How y'all doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. All right. So we out here, guys. Look at
War.
Out in the park, you know where you're at?
Not really. No.
Okay, you probably want to go down the Waltz Trail. It gets on the boardwalk. Most people go down to the right to the creek.
Okay. There's a creek back there.
20-minute walk.
It's a creek. I should have put on different shoes. All right. Thank you. I know, right? Because I'm old.
We gotta go to Tijuana, man.
Baby, it's a creek back here.
Man, we need Tijuana.
But she said it's a 20-minute walk.
My phone ain't
I'm
No.
glad I brought my water because none of y'all smart.
My water was too heavy to carry. All right, so we're going to take this little walk.
Don't feed the raccoon. Oh, Lord.
They got turtles,
I knocked you down.
and there's supposed to be a creek back here. I'm kind of nervous because
Oh, no, I'm scared because there's going to be alligators.
Man, I'm just gonna let y'all know right now.
raccoons and
Or
squirrels
y'all.
and fish.
That's that turtle, mom. Not fish.
It say fish right there. Literally.
Oh, we at Tijuana.
It's sitting in my toes.
We haven't been on a nature walk in 100 years. What is that? Is that a snake?
Shut up, shut up.
Oh, God.
What is that? I don't know. This is a terrible vlog, y'all. I'm sorry for the camera. What is that?
Hey, we at Tijuana, son.
We in the nature, y'all.
Tijuana right there.
We in nature.
We done got it.
I'm scared.
That's the pavilion, son. It's the post stop. Oh, Lord.
Welcome to Turkey Creek. Oh, no, ma'am.
Hey, but I need to got my running shoes. I'm at the ditch these things.
We ain't got on no good shoes.
we're coming
It's
in-
raccoons and whatnot back here.
See, bro, they keep
We are
coming.
not nature people.
Why we do this? Hold up, man.
This is 20 minutes from the freaking
Don't feed the alligators.
Oh, heck no.
Come on,
I'm
come on.
going that. No.
I got this.
Oh, why y'all doing this? We is not Scooby-Doo.
Mom.
Oh, heck no, son, bro.
Mama. I'm not playing these games. What is that? Can you eat it? Probably not. Ripping, bro. 20-minute walk, fool.
We are literally in the woods, guys. It's hot.
But there's some white people. Oh,
I'd rather go to the beach.
right, because as soon as you get in the car, you can be like, I'm going home.
Hi.
I'm going home.
It's a picnic
I just want to see
pavilion.
a turtle. Which way we go? Let's say exercise twirl.
And that's a picnic pavilion.
Let's go to the picnic, because I ain't trying to. That means
Yeah.
there's people over there. We need to get to the civilians.
Nah, that's where the people at. That's where people actually be.
I don't know,
Come
'cause
on.
that's just like a little pavilion. Don't touch plants, because I don't know what they are.
Oh, heck no.
You don't know what poison ivy looks like?
Man, look down, bro.
It's sandy.
Make sure y'all watching.
It's sandy.
The boardwalk, please sign in. What? Ah! Stop playing.
Feel some touch my leg, bro.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Man, where the people at, man? Take me home, bro.
Let's say hiking trail. I'm not going.
It's the boardwalk. What's that?
She died.
See, bro? Nah.
Okay,
She died.
okay. We're on the boardwalk.
Nah, because what's under there?
What's all these lizards?
See, bro? Nah, I'm finna look her up. I'm finna see how she died, because I ain't trying to.
Y'all so silly. Okay, I'm nervous, but
Nature tour? Are you kidding me? Get it. Get the paper.
we're on some kind of boardwalk. This is not
What's
great.
under here? The Grinch under here? What is it called?
Listen, we out here having an adventure. Relax.
No. I'm not adventure savvy. Let's give it wild crap.
Okay,
I'm not to choose, bro.
Okay.
It has to be me or y'all.
okay. Why is she making noise?
See, they done already put my name on that, and they put RIP, bro.
This a death. What's it called? You know the book thing you told me to watch?
Ain't nobody read that thing.
She said your name was there.
So much. And they got my name over there. Oh, Lord. See, bro, I ain't got nothing to do
How you
with it, bro.
doing? Are we on the right path to get to the creek?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Woo-wee. Okay.
She said 20 minutes. My side already burned.
Listen.
I'm sweating like freak.
Oh my God. This is so crazy. This is the things I do when we get outside, y'all.
Bro, we supposed to go to the beach. This is not the beach.
Oh,
We're gonna make Tracy brown.
okay. All right, guys.
Alright, it's about it for me.
I can't see.
Look what we found, guys.
I can't dirty, bro.
We found the
They
creek.
in there.
There's people canoeing. I don't know if you can
That's
see
good,
it.
man. Thank you, Lord, for the wind.
My kids were trying to give up, but we found the
Don't
creek.
say we were trying to give up. We were trying not to get.
Where you going?
So you gotta go that.
You need to stay together because if you get kidnapped, that ain't on me.
Let her go explore by herself.
Come on.
Look at this, guys.
Sci-fi movies, bro. They say
These kids are really bugging right now. We out here, I'm sweating, getting our exercise. We exploring our town. We at Turkey Creek, and it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's hot.
You want some water?
I do. My daughter brought her water. She's so smart.
I know the Pope stop up here.
You want some water?
Woo! That was refreshing. Listen, you got to go out here and explore your towns, guys. This is free. Like, literally free to walk on this boardwalk and see some stuff. We'll be back. Girl, Sorry about the camera. I'm walking on this lumpy boardwalk. My son is back there now. Girl, what?
A wizard. You know I don't play with that.
Why is she going further? We went away from the water. Anyways, we'll be back.
That is a joke.
We found another spot where you can see the creek. This has been an interesting and painful journey because my RA is super angry right now.
Oh wow.
Is that a turtle on that rock?
Sitting.
On that tree?
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh wow.
It literally looks like a alligator.
So they said don't feed the gators, the turtles, or the fish. I low-key feel like that's a manatee.
Wow.
It's moving! That's a manatee! It's a manatee! Oh my god, it's a manatee!
I told y'all.
That was so cool! Carrie finally got to see a manatee.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is so much fun.
Oh, 'cause I'm happy.
Oh my god. Let's see if we can find him again.
Oh my god.
I knew I saw something moving, but... Oh my god, it's still right there. Okay, we'll be back, guys, because this camera is shaking a lot.
Oh my god.
Guys, can you see the manatee? Oh my god. Can you see it?
It's a clear view
Oh,
of
look
it.
at the manatee, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, it came up for air. Oh my god. I'm so excited, Carrie. Look.
Mom,
You got to see a manatee.
it kind of looked like a mermaid.
Oh my gosh. Well, this is a great payoff. Oh my gosh.
I've seen the turtle.
Look at the manatee. Oh my gosh.
Wow, this is so pretty.
Oh my gosh. I definitely want to come out when it's colder, because that's usually when they are out. Can you see it swimming? It's in the water. You see that little gold looking thing? That's the manatee.
Wow.
Look at him. Let's look down here. Oh my goodness. This is so great. How do you feel, Carrie? Look at me.
I'm happy because I came to just see a turtle, but I seen the manatee.
And my son's back there. He hates me. Say hi to the people. Hi, people.
Oh.
We are out here in the wilderness. You can see I'm getting my glisten on. It is so pretty.
All black today, though.
We definitely found a new adventure. Next time I will not be bringing my son because
I'm sorry.
he
y'all.
basically complained the whole entire way. He wears sweatshirts in the summer, and it's his fault that he's dying of heat stroke right now. Anyways, I just want to say, for those with RA and Sjogren's syndrome, y'all understand how much it hurts to sometimes get out of bed, and I'm proud of myself for getting out of bed and walking and doing something different, and it's free. We out here in the nature. You hear it in the background. This is nature. You hear it? That's nature. I hope y'all enjoyed this very random vlog of our little outside trip, because child, this is amazing.
Like continue. Tracy drive us to the beach.
It's a fish right there
What?
on that log.
Oh, I see it. It's like dark.
Yeah. So we're gonna enjoy this little quiet moment with the Lord, and we'll see you next time. What is that? What is that? That's a fish too. Oh my God. Anyways, we're gonna head back to the car so mommy doesn't pass out. All right. Love you guys. Thank you for joining us for this adventure. Bye.